Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Really shouldn't have called this contour just one word or make it bold. If you have a text that has contour or boldness effect and you just want to make the one word bolder, just take your text tool and just select that and actually go there and you can bold it. But what if you have a text that doesn't have a bold feature? I strongly suggest you just go to object, break the apart. Now this is one line, go to object, break that apart. And when I make this bolder, I would like to go left click, right click. And then I'm going to go to effects and I'm going to go contour. I'm going to contour to the outside point. Well, let's go a little bit higher than that. Let's go 0.04. And you could actually go quite a bit more than that. Let's go a little bit more than that. Let's go 0.06 just so you can kind of see it. Now, the only disadvantage is I went so far that my letters are touching. So let's back that up and go back to 4. So our letters aren't touching. Well, they're still touching right there. But we could have fixed that. We could have moved that T previously. If we take that shape tool, we can actually move that T out of the way a little bit. Now let's select it all and go contour and then go to object, break contour apart. And if you will grab the inside of the letter and move it out of the way, and then you can take this and you can fill it with black and take away the outline. Now that one is not as bold as you might want. That's maybe why some of the letters are boldable and some of them are not. But you get the idea. It is quite a bit thicker line. Now, if you really wanted it to kind of be like that, I guess you could left click, right click, and see my contour is not, it's grayed out. So you can go to object group and group it together. As soon as you do that, it comes in. We're going to put a right line around it. And this time, let's contour to the inside, maybe just 0.02. Just a little bit. That'll work. Now this time, we're going to go to object and break the contour apart, but we're going to grab the inside again, and that's our red. So I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to move that back to where it was, and then I can right click, fill, left click. So now that, if you notice, that contoured word is quite a bit thicker than the other words. So that's what you can do when you don't have a boldable text like we do on this area. So we can just select that text and we can go to bold, we can go to italics, and we can go underline on that one item. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.